What's up, YouTube? It's your boy 510 Rich Kid coming back again with another Nike pickup. Today marks Father's Day, so happy Father's Day to all you guys, all you dads. And also, congratulations to the Los Angeles Lakers. They did win the NBA championship. MVP, Kobe Bryant. So with that, we're going into it's a Kobe topic, I guess you want to go into it. And Ron Artest, shout out to Ron Artest for making big shots. As you see, I wore my Dukes today. A few compliments. Some people didn't even know that they were the Dukes. But you guys already seen those. Let's start with these. So I was at the House of Hoops and Ceremony this weekend. Picked up a few stuff. As you see, we'll go with Kobe. The size 10.5. These are the USCs. Okay, the varsity Crimson University Gold USC. These came out a few months ago. Size 10.5. They didn't get my size, but I might actually sell these to my cousin. He's a USC fan, or he likes the USC. But here you go. Got the maroon, mainly all around with the yellow laces and the yellow swoosh. USC in the back with the white heel bottoms, or half maroon, yellow, and top and the bottom heel is white. So picked up these. Nice pickup. House of Hoops only. They might have a few left in Ceremony, so check them out. As you see, I got both right there. Alright, let's see what else. Okay, and the next set of Kobe's are, again, size 10.5. I usually wear 11.5. But I got these that can go inside the hat. Early pickup, Miles Davis edition. It's like the color of these are photo blue with white, black, metallic, silver. So I guess it's like a photo blue. It's really metallic, shiny. You know, it's nice. All blue around with the white Nike swoosh with the gray around the swoosh. A black midsole, white bottoms with the blue print. Nothing. I mean, besides the colorway, it's really nice. Had to pick them up because it's an early release. So whoever's checking these out, they're a clean shoe. Size 10.5. Early pickup on these. Let's see what else. All right. So with that, I was at Macy's. You guys know Macy's started carrying Kobe stuff. Got some shorts, Kobe shorts, black. These probably could go with the inlines. You guys know I did my inline video a while back. But these can go with any kind of pair of Kobe's that are purple. Got these for like $10 on Father's Day discount or sale. What else? And I got this. I was at the Nike outlet in San Leandro. If you guys ever been there. This goes with the Bruce Lee's. I wore the Bruce Lee's yesterday. Got compliments on my Bruce Lee's. This was like $24. And yeah, it has the Kobe signature 2-4. It's a nice sweater. I know it's summertime, but can't pass up on Kobe's. For some reason, it was like Kobe weekend. It was all on fluke. Lakers won, and I started picking up a lot of Kobe stuff. Let's see what else. All right, cool. Right here, probably my two biggest pickups. The Kobe shirt, Kobe 2-4. These go with the Dark Knights. The jacket, really clean. I got the shorts somewhere around here. So I got like the whole little gear up. I usually don't like to wear the whole gear, but I got this for $8 or $6. This was $20 at Macy's. So this would go with these, you know. So I might not wear get up the whole day. So I got the shorts, jacket, and the shirt, and you guys know the Dark Knights. probably the best. These are my second best pair of the Kobe 5s. So got that. Shorts for $6, I believe. 20 bucks, and another like $6. Could have passed that up. All at Macy's. Let's see what else. Alright, cool. And then my last thing are another House of Hoops bag. Like I said, I spent a lot of time at House of Hoops. I was there yesterday. As you guys know, the cough drops, foamposites dropped. Size 11. My size of foamposites. Receipt. These are really, these came out back in what, 07, but with more of a red bottom. So this is more of a clear, I don't know what you want to call it, more of a clear but finished bottom. And they gave it a different name, cough drop, I don't know. You know, a lot of chew heads or what people, they want to call it the cough drop. So these are cough drops, red bottoms. These are varsity red. Black all the way around. You know, I'm a Nike foamposite shoe head. I love foamposites. My best pair of Nikes or just sneakers, kicks, what do you want to call it in general. So picked these up yesterday. They came out yesterday. They might have a few more pairs at House of Hoops. Only House of Hoops release, I believe. So hit them up if you live in the Bay Area. Ceremony had them. They might have a few pairs left. Check them out. I might grab another pair. I'm not too sure. But I think that's it. So rate, comment, subscribe to my videos. Check out, Rocket Scientists. These are our new shirts. You guys seen this last time. Positive Motivated. 79 on the back. Check them out. Upcoming brand in the Bay Area. Let's see what else. So got these. USC's. And Miles Davis's. And all my Kobe gear. So check me out. More videos to come. It's my first time doing clothes. I usually do kicks. Keep commenting. Thank you for everything. Rate, comment, subscribe on my videos. Stay tuned and check me out in the future. And like I said, Lakers 2010 champs and Kobe MVP, as you see. Alright, peace. I'm out.